Introducing the upgraded grinding unit for your SS334 and SS336 machines from HAUX. Grind more tools on our extra fast point grinding machines. Unlike the standard grinding unit, this new unit allows for 120-degree steps, enabling the grinding of triple-fluted drills. This is accomplished by the integrated hydraulic cylinder and a quick change end stop for 180-degree operating mode. This unit simply replaces your current grinding unit. The operating mode can be quickly set up by inserting or removing the 180-degree end stop. For more information, consulting, or a personal offer, please reach out to us at info@hauxgmbh.de or talk to your trusted HAUX service technician.